welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. I'm a wife, I am a mother, I'm a fashionista, motivational speaker, actress and model. But above all else, my true addictions, of which I pray never to find a cure, I am a makeup addict. And that is why you are what? That is why you are here. Welcome, my darlings. Welcome to Laughter, Love and Positivity. Today's episode is kind of bittersweet because I've enjoyed this series. It is the last of the beautiful quad of JUVIA'S Place mini palettes, the nude palette, my darlings. Yes, the very last. I've done the berry for you, I've done the violets, I've done the chocolate, and the nude was the last for me to do for you guys. Here we have it, and here we have it on my eyes. Guys, can you believe that it's March already? Can you believe that it's March? Can you just believe it? And because we're hitting March, we are done with winter season, hence spring, hence bridal season. And that was where I got my inspiration from. I said to myself, the brides out there need a little bit of inspiration. Why? Because I got married 3 times to the same man, of course. Do you know that after 7 days, Ula proposed to me. I was like, do you have money? It sounded very contractual. I was like, 7 days and he wants this fabulosity. Gotta pay, baby. Yes. So he proposed after 7 days. We got married in Lagos, we got married in Los Angeles, and we got married in Norway, Bergen, his hometown. And it was a wonderful experience. And having 3 weddings, I had to come up with 3 looks. Well, more than that, because for the traditional wedding, we changed like 10 times. And I just love this nude, and I wanted you guys to really have an inspiration and do something different, because you got something bold, something new, something blue, and I put the blue in the liner. I'd done something like this way back, but I just wanted to do this again because I just love how blue against brown is so complementary, and it does complement the bride. I think it's such a gorgeous look. And as you go into the tutorial, you see that I use the palette even on my lips, and that is the diversity of these little mini palettes. You take the one that's for you and you run with it, and you can really just open up your mind with it and put it anywhere. Put it on your collarbone if you want, put it on your shoulders. You can do everything with it. I think it was extremely complimentary. And what I did was that I used my contour pack, because I wanted you to know that brown shade I was putting is what I use for my contour, just to keep the family of browns the same, just to deepen the crease. And that was it. The rest was just the palette, my darlings. It retails for $13.99. It is on the website as we speak. I have a discount code for you guys, which does not expire. My gift to you, especially for the brides. You just click onto that and you use the discount code at checkout, and you can get all 4, which I highly recommend. Like I said, I've so enjoyed doing this. I did not know I was going to enjoy it. As I thought, oh, it's tedious, but I'll do it for my followers. But I really enjoyed it, and I got the maximum out of it, and I will use it time and time again. But this really was for you guys, just to see how fabulous they are, and not to shy away from the nude. Not for you to think, oh, it's too light, it's not going to work for me, it's not my shade or whatever. It does work. You just have to, be experimental. Yeah, of course I used my palette. Why would I use any other? On my cheeks, and then I use Pixie lipstick, and then I use the palette again on top. So my sweets, my darlings, you sit back, enjoy, grab a drink, grab your girlfriends. Even if you're going to be the guest of the bride, mother of the bride, can you believe I may one day, pray God Almighty, I'll be the mother of the groom to Adrian? I can't believe it. Me and my old self, but I'll be there with my false lashes. I'll be like, it'll be so much fun. All right, sit back, enjoy, grab your girlfriends or your groom, husband, whatever, and enjoy this tutorial. I'll see you on the back end, my darlings. Do you love the clips? Bridal-esque, giving you vibes, my darling. You don't have to wear a veil, show that healthy hair or wig or weave. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? I love. I live. I live. I live. I live. I live. I love. What can I tell you? There really isn't anything to be said. Very pigmented. In this palette, you had 3 shimmers, you had 3 mattes, you had a peachy matte, you had a pinky matte, and then you had a lovely brown, which you could use to shade in, and then use a deeper color on the outside, which I use my contour. Gorgeous. If you tell me what is my favorite of all 4, I couldn't tell you, because it gave me different moods, different vibes, different Fumis. You got 4 different Fumis. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave all of your comments down in the comment section, darlings. Again, use my discount code and spoil yourselves. To the brides, congratulations, Miha. Congratulations. I want to give you a piece of advice, because Ula proposed to me 1 week. We've been married 11 years. Keep your business in the house. Do not talk about your husband to nobody. Don't talk about your husband to your family or to your friends. You know why? You're emotional. You forget your family doesn't. And that's them loving you, but that's them in the way of your business. Don't tell people your business. Your husband is your king, and he's your protector, and he's your friend, and he's your everything. That's the vow. It is work, but it gets easier when you understand each other and how important they are in your lives. Okay? Congratulations. You're going to be a beautiful bride, and I wish you all of the best. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves.
Don't do it.